Hi, it's Ksenia from K Design Studio, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a sticky blurry header background in Squarespace. Instead of white or any other color, we want this to be transparent and showing the background as we're scrolling through the website. So let's get started. First, click Edit, click into Header, click Edit Design. And one of the ways to achieve that is, instead of solid, we can select adaptive. We want to make sure to toggle on fixed position. And now if I preview it, so it's transparent, and as we scroll, it adopts the color of the very first section on the page. For example, this section is dark, so that's why it turns into this sort of deep blue background. This section is light, and as I keep scrolling, the background for the navigation is white because it adopted the very first section. So that's one of the options if that suits the design look you're going for. Oh, we can also go another route, and under the color, instead of adaptive, select solid. Here under the background, we want to navigate to blur background, and then we want to minimize this opacity of the color, and I think maybe navigation should be white. Okay, now click Save. So now as we scroll, we still have a little bit of color. Let's preview it. I really like this glossy effect, as everything behind it is glossy. There is still some color behind it. You want to inspect and see how this header adapts to other sections on your website. For example, if your website is mainly white background, for example, like if it was here, this is obviously not gonna work for me because you almost cannot see the navigation titles here. So if my website was mainly using white colors, I would change this, go back to color, and I would change the navigation color to dark, and maybe even change this to a slightly darker color, because we still have, like, we're not showing the full opacity of the color. And then click Save. And now as we scroll, this is way it has a better visibility. So we always want to think about the end user and make sure that the design choices that you make it are not compromising the usability of your website. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you.